Do you want to travel more? Be able to pay your bills? Take your family on a vacation? Or not have to worry about money anymore? What is going on, everyone? My name is Brennan Dopp and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an extra $100 a day. The biggest difference between you and my wife and I is we took action this year. We started a print-on-demand company and we have been selling t-shirts and sweatshirts on the Etsy marketplace. You may be wondering, what is Etsy? Etsy is a global marketplace for unique and creative products. As of 2019, there were 2.5 million active sellers who sold goods on the Etsy platform. By comparison, there were over 39.4 million active buyers worldwide. There is so much potential to make money on Etsy right now. We wanted to start this channel to bring you along on our journey as we grow our shop. We hope you find value in what we share and you can start taking action so that you can start making extra money today. In this series, we will be teaching you a step-by-step process on how to start selling on Etsy. This video will cover the process of opening your first Etsy shop and integrating it with Printful. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. What on earth is Printful? Printful is an on-demand fulfillment and warehousing service that prints and ships products including clothing, accessories, and home and living items for online businesses. It's free to set up and doesn't come with any monthly fees or minimum order requirements. They print only what has been ordered, making print on demand the more conscious and responsible choice over bulk manufacturing. You connect your Etsy shop with Printful. When someone places an order, Printful will fulfill and ship that item to your customer, mitigating the headache of printing and shipping yourself. And the best part of it all, Printful is free to use. There are no monthly or upfront fees. You only pay for fulfillment and shipping after someone places an order. And this is exactly why we ran with this business model, because we had very little money to invest. So enough talking, let's start doing. We will jump into my computer and I'll walk you through step by step on how to open your first Etsy shop and integrate it with Printful. First, we'll set up our Etsy account. If you create your account using the link I've provided in the description box below, then you'll receive 40 free listings. Each listing does cost 20 cents each, so they do tend to add up. So if you'd like to use that link, go ahead. I'll bring you here to Etsy.com. On the top right-hand side, you will click Sign In, and then click Register, and enter your email address, your first name, and then your password. And then you'll click Register. If you prefer to register your account with your Google account here, you can, or your Facebook or your Apple ID, but we use our business email, makes it easier for us. And you click Register. Okay, now you'll want to go up to the right-hand corner there under where it says You, then down to the bottom, you'll click Sell on Etsy. Then scroll down to the bottom, you'll click Open Your Etsy Shop. And then I'll walk you through the steps here. First, you'll want to choose your shop language, and then choose your shop country, and then your shop currency, and which of these best describes you. Selling is my full-time job. I sell part-time but hope to sell full-time. I sell part-time and that's how I like it, or other. So it's whatever you'd like to choose. Selling is my full-time job. Click Save and Continue on the bottom right-hand side. And now here's where you need to have your shop name. You need to check if your shop name idea is available. Okay, and then you'll want to check availability. It is available. So you'll need to brainstorm on a good shop name, decide on what it is you'd like to do. And then after that, you'll hit Save and Continue. Require you to create a listing in order to open your shop. This is a temporary listing. We can edit this later on, so don't worry about this being your very first listing that everyone will see. You can edit it in the future. And in our series, we will be going through a very thorough process on how to create an optimized listing that will sell. So again, we'll edit this in the future. This is just temporary for now. So you'll click Add a Listing. And here is where you'll build out your listing. Again, this is temporary, so I'm going to do a very temporary one that I'll edit in our next few videos. You need to add a photo. So if you don't have a photo already, you can just use whatever type of photo you want. We'll add our photo here. Okay, and then you are required to fill out the portions with stars. So this is where your title of your listing would go. And again, this is temporary. A Christmas sweater, or whatever you want to put, just so that we're able to proceed through. Who made it? Another company or person is what you'll want to select because you're using a print provider who will be Printful. What is it? A finished product. And when was it made? You'll click Made to Order. Category, hoodies and sweatshirts. And then in the future, you will be filling out all of this, and we'll show you how to do that in our series. So don't worry about it. Don't be overwhelmed. And then this is a pullover. And then you are required for renewal options. So you can choose to have it automatically renew every 4 months, and they'll charge you 20 cents, or you can manually do it. I always pick manual. That way you're able to choose if you want to renew that listing or not. Let's say an item doesn't sell well, then I wouldn't renew it. So that's your choice what you'd like to do there, but we do manual. And then what type of product are you selling? Is it a physical or digital product? In our case, doing print on demand, it's a physical product. Then here's where your description will go, whatever you want your customers to see and know about your product. Sweatshirt. And we will edit this later on. But this part is very important that we need to fill out. And anytime you do a listing, this part will need to be filled out. So I'll add a new production partner. Your production partner will be Printful. Location is Chatsworth, California. Printful has several different locations for their print facilities, but their main primary one is in California. So you can just put Chatsworth, California for now. And then you need information about your production partner. Help buyers understand what this partner does for you. Keep the description general. Right here. A fulfillment, warehousing, and shipping service for small online retailers. And that's really all that you need. About your partnership here. Why are you working with this partner? You'll want to say, I don't have the technical ability or equipment to make it entirely by myself. What is your role in the design process? I design everything myself. And then what is this partner's role in the production process? They do everything for me. Those are the settings you will want to have for your production partner. And this part's very critical. If you don't have this filled out, Etsy could potentially flag your shop or suspend your shop. So be sure to always have this in the future. Save partner. And then you'll want to check here, Printful. Okay, price is required. We'll put a temporary price, quantity required. And then shipping, that's also required here. I'll do fixed prices manually. United States is where we're shipping from. Processing time, we usually do 1 to 2 weeks. Printful shipping times and processing times does vary, but our main thing we always do is under promise and over deliver. That's usually what leads to good reviews and happy customers. So 1 to 2 weeks. Comes USPS is typically who they ship with. Mail class, priority mail. And this we can change in the future. So again, this is temporary. And then we always do free shipping. And that's something for you to decide what you want to do with your shop. If you want to charge for shipping and build it into your price, or if you want to do free shipping. We offer free shipping. Etsy says they rank you better, and customers usually prefer that. So you'll figure out what you want to do and what works best for your shop. Okay, and we should be set there. So we'll click Save and Continue. Nice, our temporary listing did go through. So we do need to confirm our account and our email. So go to whatever email that you use to sign up with. Then you'll need to click on your email. Just need to confirm account. Our email has been confirmed and our account is all set up. So now you can go click on Shop Manager at the top right. It'll take you back to where we left off. Okay, so we'll continue to fill out this information. This part's more private, so you can go ahead and do that. Decide what type of seller you are. Do individual or sole proprietorship. Because this is personal information, I'm not going to show this part, but it's all pretty self-explanatory. It'll ask you for some general information like your name, birthday, address, etc. After that, it'll ask you for your bank information, including your account type, routing number, and account number. The reason they need this is because this is how you will receive direct deposits from Etsy. Once you're done filling that out, hit save and continue. From there, Etsy may ask you to answer a few questions to verify your identity. After answering those, hit submit answers. All right, now we will set up our billing information. You'll need a credit card to be able to do this portion. The reason why Etsy asks for your credit card information is in case your sales do not cover your fees or ad spend. That's if you decide to run ads in the future. This is how they will charge you if needed. Etsy fees include 20 cents every time you create or renew a listing, a 5% transaction fee whenever you make a sale, and a payment processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents. This may seem like a lot, but it is worth it because you're able to sell on a massive marketplace with over 30 million buyers with no upfront risk. After filling out this information, you can go ahead and click Open Your Shop. And hang on while we get everything into place and give the walls one last coat of paint. And your shop is open for business. You are now operating on Etsy. There you go. It'll take you to your home page here. This is what your shop is going to look like. This is a very basic outline until you build it out yourself. And there you have it. You have your Etsy shop set up. And in our series, we will teach you how to build out your shop. And we will teach you everything you need to know to be up and running to start making sales. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that right now. We're just going to get your Etsy shop now integrated with Printful. So for your convenience, I've added a link to sign up for Printful in the description box below. You can click through to that to take you to printful.com. This is what their page looks like. This will be your print provider who will take care of all fulfillment and shipping for you. A super cool company who can do really anything for you that you want. So anything you can imagine printing on, they're able to do it for you. Makes it very hands-off once you get it all built out and set up. So what you want to do is up on the top right-hand side is click Sign Up. And you can choose to sign up with your Facebook or with your Google or with your Apple ID. And I sign up with my email. Enter your full name, your email, and then your password. Then you need to click I agree to Printful terms of service and privacy policy, and I'd like to receive emails from Printful to be informed about the latest updates. So that's your choice. If you want to do that, you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, they want to know a little bit about yourself, answer a few quick questions. So this is where you decide what you're going to do. So you can pick whatever one you want to do here. Okay, so you'll click Grow My Online Business. Where are you mainly selling online? Choose the platform. You'll click Etsy. And then so less than $1,000. I'm just starting out. Finish. Right, easy as that. You got your Printful account set up and you are ready to start making money. We'll begin integrating our Etsy shop with our Printful account. So this is your main dashboard. This is, again, your print provider who will be handling everything for you, doing all the printing and all of the shipping for you, so you don't have to do any of that. So we want to get our Etsy shop integrated with Printful so that anytime an order comes in, it will automatically get pushed to Printful, and so they can begin the printing process and getting those orders out to your customers. So what we'll do is we'll go over here on the left-hand side. You'll see Stores. Click on Stores. Then we want to connect. So you'll go down to Choose Platform, and then choose Connect to Etsy Marketplace. Okay, we want to connect to Etsy. An application would like to connect to your account. So you need to allow access for this. Click Allow Access. Continue. Connect your store. All right, my friends, we have successfully connected our Printful account with our Etsy shop, and we are ready to begin building out our shop and getting our listings up and to start making some extra money. I hope you guys found some value in this video and that it'll motivate you to start taking action today. Remember, it is entirely up to you to create the lifestyle that you want. Please subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell below, because I will be doing an entire in-depth tutorial series that will teach you exactly how to optimize your Etsy shop and start making extra money online. Everything that you'll need to know will be right here on my channel. If you have any questions, please go ahead and comment below. I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.